Friday previous. I didn't place a trade Friday. We discussed about waiting for the price to pull back to this level. It did pull back to this level, but with it being Friday, you can see price melt or knocking up stop losses or so, and volume dropping off towards the end of the day. So I didn't know that. So coming into Monday today, which is the 14th of the 3rd, 2022, I started on the higher time frame just to analyse it, and I want you to pay attention to this area here, which is a retracement in the daily. As you see price being bearish and coming down, what we can see here is support level being created, and also then a strong bullish candle creating an engulfing candle. But this example I'm giving you here, you can see that engulfing candle did not break the highs here. Yeah, so for me, I'm still in for me that would have been a bearish, still bearish, and price did continue, and it is talking in hindsight, but I'm going to get to the point. So you can see last week you've got Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So there's the whole of last week's price action. So analysing the charts on Sunday, you can see this bullish candle here, but this bullish candle here closes above the 8 MA and does break structure here. It closes above this resistance level here. So this was what created my bias for looking for long positions coming into the beginning of this trading week. So now dropping down the time frames, again just at a glance, marked all my levels off on the 1 hour. So dropping down here, so keeping in mind that my bias is long. Now what we're on the 1 hour, I've created my levels here. This level I can take off here, so let's delete that, and then what I want to explain to you now is, and I am in this position, I have got a runner still going. I'm trailing it down on the 15-minute chart, 15-minute time frame. But what I want to show you now is the entry and how looking for that clear break of structure in confluence with this indicator, higher high, lower low indicator. So we drop down to the 30-minute time frame, and we can see here a clear high high, clear marked lower high. Here we see the break, big push up on this bullish candle here. I waited for the retracement back down to the 8 and got in here. We get that clear break of structure. We know our bias is long, and prices just continued up. So on the 15-minute, you can see, yes, we've got the higher high, yes, we've got the lower high. You've got these smaller lower highs here, which doesn't create a clean markup. Yes, it's obvious to us, we can see that break of structure here, but we are always looking for a cleaner market, a cleaner visible chart, and we get that on the 30-minute time frame. So that's one of the reasons why I trade the 30-minute time frame. We're looking at higher time frame analysis, but dropping down for entries and looking for the clear. I don't like to go to the 5-minute. I like to really go as low as the 15-minute time frame, wait for them pullbacks for entry. But there's sometimes that it shows a clear entry on that, definitely not here. But sometimes we get a clean entry on the 5-minute, and I'll enter there. But in this case, the entry come clean on the 30-minute break, drop down into the 15, got that retracement back down to the 8, my long position. So it smashed me 1-to-1, which is 20 pip stop loss, 20 pip break even. Yeah, and then left me runners running. I set my overall target at this high here, previous high, but with this strong momentum, I didn't close my position here. I didn't set a take profit. That's what I do is I just monitor my trades. I'm day trading, so I just monitor what's going on. Well, I hope I've explained well, and I hope you have a great trading day, and we'll again tomorrow review what we see, and we always reflect back on today, on the previous day for the trading review of how the trades gone and whatnot. So enjoy your trading day.